So, you're watching my video and you want to know how to make the template. Let's just do it real quick. So this is our template. Super simple. We're in here. Read our little caption window. If you download CapCut, so the first step is going to be to download CapCut. Go to this URL, download it, and you'll be set to go. Next, all we have to do is load the template. Search for Rugrats bot. Shows up. All you have to do is click Use Template. Change the font to whatever you want. Check it out. Click Export. So you get a nice one. And boom. You have your own custom Rugrats intro template. So yeah, use those links and make your own fun stuff.